Hello and welcome. Think of the people you love most.
Hi there. Yes, think about the people closest to you.
Today on our deep dive, we are going to help you introduce those very people to the world in English.
Welcome to Copilot Podcast Studio.
And this deep dive is designed specifically for you, the English beginner. We will speak slowly and, clearly to help you learn.
We really want to make this easy. So today we are looking at a helpful guide about family.
Right, because in almost every language, words for family are, well, the oldest words.
Exactly. When you learn to talk about your family, you are learning the true foundation of human connection.
I like to think of learning English kind of like gathering building blocks.
Oh, that is a great way to look at it.
Yeah, or like drawing a map of your life. You start by putting a pin on the people closest to you.
Right.
And our source guide gives a really beautiful, simple definition for family. It says family is people you love.
People you love. That simple definition is just perfect for an adult learning a new language.
It really is, because you already know deeply who these people are.
Yes. Now, you just need the English labels to put on your map. For example, the labels mother, which is your mom,
Right.
and father, which is your dad.
And for siblings, we have the labels sister, a girl in your family, and brother, a boy in your family.
Exactly. It makes total sense that we start with these core words.
It does. But I have to admit something.
What's that?
I often get really overwhelmed when trying to learn a new language.
Oh, absolutely. It is a lot for anyone.
Yeah, I try to memorize like 20 new words all at once, and then my mind just goes completely blank.
That is a very, very common struggle.
So, okay, let us figure this out. How do we use these new words without getting overwhelmed? How do we avoid panicking?
Well, saying mother is a good start, but it is just one word. To actually connect with someone, we need an action.
Like a full sentence?
Right, but a short sentence.
Yeah.
This is why the guide says to take small steps.
Small steps.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yes. Do not try to learn 20 words today. Learn one short sentence. For example, this is my mother.
This is my mother. Wow, that really takes the pressure off.
And then you just stop right there. You point and you speak.
But what if you want to share a little bit more information, like about a sibling?
You use another simple sentence. You can say, I have one brother.
I have one brother. Okay, that is easy. What if I want to ask the other person about their family?
If you want to invite them into the conversation, the guide offers a great question. You ask, do you have a sister?
Do you have a sister? Ah, that is good.
Or if you are looking at a photo of someone you do not know, you can simply ask, who is this?
Who is this? Very useful.
And the most important phrase in the guide is really just a feeling. It is, I love my family.
I love my family. That is so nice. But knowing these sentences on a page is, well, it is very different from actually remembering them in the real world.
Oh, completely different. That is why the guide suggests practicing these words by using real photos.
Real photos. Wait, really? Why is that specific method so important?
Well, it comes down to how human memory works.
Okay.
Why do we use real photos? Because when you look at a face you love, your brain feels a strong emotion.
Oh, I see.
Connecting that real emotion to the new English word helps your memory hold on to it tightly.
So it is a much stronger connection than just, reading black text on a white page.
Much stronger.
That makes perfect sense. It
Yeah.
connects the new English word to a real human feeling. So let us try that right now.
Yes, let us practice.
If you are listening, I want you to imagine holding a real photo of your family. Look at the photo.
Take a good look.
Point to the person and say out loud, this is my father, or this is my mother.
Keep it simple. Say the word clearly.
And maybe add, I love them.
Yes. Doing this connects the English language to your real life. You are learning to share the people you love with the world.
We covered the core words today: mother, father, sister, brother.
And we learned how to put them into short, simple sentences.
Without feeling overwhelmed. But here is something to think about before we go.
What is that?
Our guide defined family simply as people you love.
It did.
So as you look for photos to practice your new English sentences, who else in your life fits that description?
Oh, that is a great question.
Could it be a very close friend? Or, maybe even a pet?
A pet is definitely family.
Right. How could you use these exact same words to introduce them to the world, too? Keep practicing your map, and we will catch you on the next deep dive.